Right now I have a compact computer, Windows 7, fairly new, and we have a network card that's not being seen by the system. So if you look around back, you see right here is the network adapter, and if you look on the back side, you see that it's completely mounted on the motherboard, so it's attached to the motherboard. I can't take it out, but you see I have an extra slot here in the back of the computer, so I can simply slide in another network card right into this slot right here. It'll plug right in, and this computer will be good to go with about a $10 investment. So I'll come back when I have the network card. Okay, here's the network card, $10 network card, and it's going to go right down in through here and attach to the motherboard. And I have freed up a slot here, free slot, and this one's going to be a little tricky because it's got two cables right over the connection. So I'm going to slip this in, see how we attach the teeth to the slot on the motherboard, and we need to push it in, make sure it's secure. On the other side here, make sure that that's secure, and push it, give it one more push down. That looks pretty decent. That's right in there. And now the way you attach it is you take this latch and you slide it over all the cards, and it goes right like that. And then need to screw that in right there. It's pretty good one-handed. So that is now screwed in. So I need to find the cover and slide this in, which a lot of people have trouble with, so you just got to line it up properly. There we go. And then just give it a push. And there it is. So you can see the edges are all lined up here, lined up in the back. And there's one screw that needs to go in, and we're ready to fire it up.